Hi guys, welcome back to PassFab. Apple just launched the first public beta of iOS 16, which is more stable than the developer beta. First, let's check the supported devices. iPhone 8 is the oldest model that will receive iOS 16. So in this video we will show you how to install iOS 16 beta on iPhone 8 Plus. If you have joined or intend to join the Apple Data software program, go to beta.apple.com. Sign in or sign up and you can get the beta profile. If you didn't join the program, go to betaprofiles.com through Safari. Choose Public Profiles here. Scroll down and you will see iOS 16 Public Beta. Tap Install Profile. Install the profile. Tap Allow to download the profile. Then go to Settings. You will see Profile downloaded. Tap it. Install the profile. Restart iPhone when it requires. After restart, go to General and Settings. Tap Software Update. Download and install iOS 16 Public Beta. Once the beta software is downloaded, tap Install Now. Wait for a while. Your iPhone will be updated to iOS 16. Try its new features now.